1989 was what I started my career. Typical corporate finance executive. NBFCs, they were called those days, non-banking finance companies. And I think 89, 90s was what real liberalization also started. And I saw the CCI getting abolished. We saw exchange control being removed. Suddenly the license Raj was going away. We heard Dr. Manmohan Singh's, that finance minister's great speech. And I saw the seeds of real liberalized India was being sown. Went through the journey between 1992 to 2004, arranged funds for a lot of mid-sized, small-sized companies. But around 97, I decided I won't arrange funds for any Tom, Dick and Harry. We just relaxed and said only 3 or 4 clients, and they had to be India's biggest. Started digging out for clients, and between 97 to 2002, whatever we did, companies whom we touched at 50 crores turned up to be 5,000 crores plus by the time they reached. And one of the biggest retail chain we all call today was part where we arranged literally funds running to every banks. So that experience really helped us in understanding the retail, the struggle of an entrepreneur. The second client happened to be a fashion brand. Again, a small company with 5 crores moved to huge 300 plus stores across India. So all these arranging clients for the people like Big Bazaars, Vogue and others helped me a lot get the base. I mean, school mein kar rahe ho, but somebody else is doing the entrepreneurship. You are only arranging funds for them. So you could see the risk, the pain, the disappointment they all had to go through. And ultimately, all these 3 or 4 companies became India's one of those largest and best retailers. Around this time, I think I touched 38. And that's what this topic is all about, midlife crisis. And I had a good house facing the sea, swimming pool, golf course, typical corporate finance life. And कहीं तो अंदर वैक्यूम रहता है कि बोलता है अरे भाई क्या कर रहे हो, So we had a choice whether India's entire country's landscape was changing between 1994 till 2002. IT enabled service changed India's landscape. Suddenly middle class grew like anything. Middle class Indians visiting Switzerland, Europe on holidays, buying huge cars, buying big houses. Then you had the malls and the multiplex coming, the telecom boom. And at the core, with a tie, blazer, laptop, and typical corporate finance executives spending most of your time in Taj and Oberoi lobbies. And I was at the core a typical Gandhian, reading a lot of Gandhi books. My mobile ringtone used to be छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी. I'm Hindustani for a long time, and I used to start the day with a Colgate paste. I'm Hindustani, a Gillette razor, a Nokia mobile, I'm Hindustani, and a cross pen, I'm Hindustani, a compact laptop those days, So everything was around me, a transnational, multinational, and my ringtone used to be I'm Hindustani, reading a lot of Gandhi books, even given a lot of bhashan and gyan in wherever people would call me for giving talks. And said, kuch karna hai, This was there always. So by the time I was 38, then I said, okay, we should do something which shouldn't be a Jolawala NGO, because 15 years of corporate finance makes you, away from the Jolawala and all, typically. But still, we'll do a corporate finance, corporate activity, but it will touch the poor Indians. The farmer was there. Somewhere we felt the IT, the boom, liberalization, 5,000 se 15,000 index move ho gaya hai. But I don't think a typical poor farmer in UP, BR or West Bengal has been touched. We also felt the slum dwellers in Mumbai or any other city, Delhi, they have been touched to a large extent. We felt India has grown, wealth has been created, but wealth has not been distributed. The inclusive growth has not happened. So one day we saw Vada Pav. And when we saw Vada Pav, we saw potato and wheat. Somewhere we saw the farmer, Aloo wala and wheat wala. So isko hamara partner banate hain. Somewhere in the long run, we can give them ESOP options. The slum dweller can fry my batata vada and clean the stores and be the store manager. We said education, employment and entrepreneurship was the word which I caught on. And said education, employment and entrepreneurship for the Indian poor. And that's why we said we'll get into this Vada Pav business. One of the reasons. One of the second reason was the Kellogg CEO used to be my neighbor, and one day he went back to Boozer and UK, and in the send-off party asked, "Kyun ja rahe ho?" He said, "Kuch bhi karo yaar, Hindustani aadmi desi hi kahta hai. You'll wear a Van Heusen shirt, you'll have a cross pen, you'll have a Ray-Ban sunglasses, but kahega to desi." I said, a great opportunity.